Mateo, you dropped your apple. Do you want to show Mommy what you do with those chicken strips? What do you think of those chicken strips, huh? Oh, you had some apple in there. We take a little bite. A dainty little bite. Oh. How did you like that? Yeah. Usually we put the whole thing in our mouth too when we think it tastes good. What do you think of that? What'd you get in that hand? Oh. Oh, yeah, yummy, yummy. Oh. Is there going to be any left? Is there going to be any left at all? Don't choke on it, baby. Don't choke. Daddy's standing by to perform the Heimlich maneuver. There we go. Oh, nearly done. Nearly done. You don't want to choke on it. Just take it easy. Take it easy. Take it easy. Is that it? You still got some in your mouth, I think. Okay. Let's turn it off. Let's give you a little minute to... Yeah, I think we nearly finished it. Mateo, how was that food, huh?